Alright guys, we're back. Game 3.
I'm salty.
Shadow of Salt. Salty
No,
Shadow.
I'm salty now.
Is not the salty one right now.
No. I got some salt on my shoulder, guys.
You want me to get some french fries for that?
Scoop up my salt?
Get some tater tots? Probably like some curly
No,
fries.
dude. I don't like salt with my tater tots.
They're usually on there. Like, if you've ever had McDonald's, like, hash browns or whatever.
Eat McDonald's breakfast.
Honestly, I don't either.
I only eat their breakfast sandwich if I ever do.
McDonald's sucks. I'm gonna say that like right now to everybody who likes McDonald's. I'm sorry, but McDonald's
Their
sucks.
nuggets are okay.
They're made out of like, I don't even know what they're made out of. It doesn't even look like chicken. Looks like something. I don't think it's chicken though.
I don't care what they're made of. I like their nuggets. I'll keep 3. I'll probably get Greylocked again.
I'll keep 3.
If I get Greylocked again, I'm gonna get punished again.
We get Greylocked again?
Yeah.
I'm hoping I don't get Greylocked right now.
No, my luck is saying you're okay. My luck's saying I'm fucked.
No, I'm not Greylocked. Oh, yeah, I'm super not Greylocked. Okay.
I'm not Greylocked!
That works for me. Go ahead.
Oh yeah, I lost round 2.
Oh, I like tap the camera. I hate when I do that because then it's like goes everywhere.
Good.
Draw. No regrets. Attack Vanguard. Regrets.
Card Vanguard.
God.
Dead heals. Ames.
Yo.
Call.
Yep.
3 pluses.
Yeah, yes.
Call.
Yeah.
Effect.
Yeah. Draws a trigger.
I didn't draw a trigger.
I don't know.
But it was close enough.
He's got no guard. No, Grand Tiger. Why do you do this to me?
Vanguard.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Draw.
Oh, it's that nigga. That nigga. Rear? Ban?
No, I'll talk Vanguard.
No guard.
Yeah. I don't need you going pulse on Alfred.
Go ahead.
God. See? It's like, fuck that shit.
What do you mean?
We've got more pluses on Alfred.
Well.
And then you could have gotten an Ames, and then that shit was spoken for 11, and then it would have been like, oh, guess what? Suck my nuts.
16.
Yeah, go for it. Power, roll.
12.
Okay.
Good.
Whoa. Draw my cards, bro. On the real, though.
On the real.
Right.
On the real. It's no use striding. I mean, you could stride something else, but you could go the Phoenix and then use the bird.
Just wanna go to the tower.
Oh, okay. Oh, you have Cran Tiger.
Tester.
Yeah. Well, I'm not gonna let you get double the plus.
Vanguard.
11.
Actually, Vanguard 11.
Rear guard? That's fine.
Vanguard.
PG. Fuck it.
Damn. Power. What power? Critical star. 21-2 crit now. 16 Vanguard skill. We stand. +4.
25. God damn it.
Yep.
That's 2 10s. I'm gonna have to 10k that and take 2
Vanguard, 2
damage.
crit.
That's some bullshit.
Draw 1, 2.
No, he didn't hit.
No, this. Hurt.
Oh.
So
it's just 2.
1, 2, 3.
Jesus.
Today was a good day to hit a double trigger.
Fact.
Yeah. I'm okay. The more damage I take this turn, the more Chatnoir I get.
Yes, I know. Shut up. I don't want to hear your cockiness. I'm done with you.
The shadow of salt. Salty shadow. I'm always gonna mess up my own name.
I'm super salty. You're not salty anymore.
The salt of Mark over here.
I'm very salty now.
I'm gonna call you like Salty Monty. Monty Salt.
No,
Monty Salt. We should rename the channel to the Salt Squad.
The Salt Squad.
Yeah.
The Salt Squad.
It's gonna be the Salt Squad. Gonna go for the start.
What do you mean?
I don't know. Okay. Whatever.
Yeah. For what?
Nothing.
Why would I go for violent? Oh wait.
Gets you a grade 1. Not like it matters.
No, it only gets you a grade 2.
It's a grade 2 less. No, yeah, he does get you only
Just a
grade 2.
grade 2.
Yeah,
There's
grade 2.
no point.
Yeah. Well,
Oh, I could switch him to Ahmed.
well, it wouldn't matter. I mean,
But I'd
it's
waste a
still-
counter blast for that, and like I just called him. No, that's a waste.
Yeah.
It really
Okay.
is. So 20. Does he gain +2 as well? No. So he's 25.
It's not the G grade 3. No guard.
Oh, first shit. Crit power.
Oh god. Might as well just power the Crown Tiger because I want damage.
So this is +5. So, and then it has +2 each, so it's +9 to the column. So it's 15 + 9 is 24 to Vanguard. And then +2 + 4 to 15, so 19 to Vanguard.
I don't need any more damage than that. That's fine. Alright. Stand draw. Stride. Capwood. Because I'm so sugoi
I have that Cran Tiger.
I'm so kawaii sugoi
No,
desu.
my Cran Tiger is not good. You don't have enough counter blast for everything. Should
It's
take
okay.
that last damage.
I don't
Then
need
you
to.
could go attack, counter blast 1 effect for this, then attack,
I don't need.
counter blast 1 effect to
I
this,
don't
then
need-
effect to this to restand, and then effect again.
I
So
didn't
you would
want to
get
be.
plus-
I didn't want to be at 5 damage though. One more extra card does not want me to be at 5 damage. I can sponge a damage that could cost 3 cards.
Yeah, but I still have a chance of healing.
You're at 5. Yeah, you have a chance of healing, but I guess it's like whatever, you know. Yeah. 18. There.
26,
Yes.
21, 31, 36, 2 to pass. Yep,
For sure. Second. Stand. Power the river. For sure.
19,
19 skill.
10,
16 skill. Free stand. +4. 25. Actually, 24. 23.
Nope.
Oh!
That's game 3.
I told you that's why I didn't need to take the damage.
Dude, I was grade locked. That was hella
No, you
bad.
weren't. You weren't Greylock. You rode. You rode all the way to 3. What are you talking about?
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, you were. Watch it back on the replays, but you weren't Greylocked on this one.
Yeah, I went
No, you
5k to Vanguard.
No, you didn't. You even said at the beginning of the game, "Yay, I'm not Greylocked."
How did I get so high in damage then?
Because I hit a stand trigger on freaking stand and crit on Tester Fox and re-swung while I was like stridden and I had the
no,
effect.
it was that damn.
Yeah, when I went on
stride,
this,
yeah.
and then like I hit freaking 2 triggers
then you
on
had
the
Cran
that,
Tiger,
and I hit a
I
stand
forgot
trigger and a
it.
crit, and I freaking swung at you 3 times with
And-
that one unit.
Yeah, which had a crit on it.
Yeah.
And hit me for 4 damage. That's why. Yeah, I remember now.
Alright, guys. This is Salty Shadow and Salty Monty. Well, you'll see you next time.
I'm super salty.